Hello beautiful people. This is Toronto at night in December. Let's do a quick little walk. I'm on my way home, and the reason I'm recording this video, oh my god, it's not snowing, but it's like what do they call it, frills, the little things that fall when it's not really snow but it's like it wants to snow. Okay, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm recording this video because let me try to catch the light because I don't want to stay outside because it's freaking cold. I'm recording this video because I'm doing 31 days of vlogmas travel, and I'm not done editing the video that I wanted to go live tonight, so I thought that this would be a good video to have for me to stay consistent. It's about 10 p.m. and I'm walking in Toronto, and technically this is travel, right, because I'm showing you around a little bit of around Toronto at night in December. And if the lighting is a little bit terrible, just bear with me. I just put up my phone, so I can take this opportunity to tell you why I decided to do this vlog challenge. The reason I decided to do this 31 days of vlogging challenge is because I really want to push myself creatively. Oh, you guys, I need to show you this. This is pretty. This is the Shangri-La Hotel, a very popular hotel here in Toronto, and this is the sign from outside. A lot of celebrities usually come and stay here. A lot of sports players, like basketball players, usually come and stay here. And I just came from dinner with a friend, and then we kind of like popped in here, the Shangri-La Hotel. Yeah, so why did I decide to do this vlog? Okay, my hand is hurting me. Let me switch. How can I switch? I don't know. Anyways, let's see. I decided to do this vlogging challenge because I wanted to be more consistent with my vlogging for December. I feel like it's important to challenge yourself creatively when you want to achieve new goals, and this is one of the things that I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to grow more. I also wanted to be able to explore more editing techniques. I am exploring more editing techniques as a travel creator, and I wanted to just like play around with it. I also decided to do this vlogging challenge because here's another light that I can try to catch. I am not staying behind. Yep, jaywalker. The reason I'm running is because, yeah, it's cold already. I can't afford to just like wait outside. Okay. As you can see, this is getting a little bit chaotic, but it's like I said, creative chaos or chaotic creativity, same difference. The other reason I started this challenge is because I want to empty out the space for my memory cards. Because listen, I've been hoarding so many content, so much content. What am I saying? My English isn't even making sense. I've been hoarding so much content, and I think this creative challenge is going to help me to be able to get rid, but to process this content and to just kind of like flow, fine tune my editing process and stuff like that. So yesterday was day one, and it was very challenging because, I mean, for many reasons. It was very challenging because I started creating the video, and my computer was giving me some issues. I want to show you guys another Christmas tree. Look at that. There's a Christmas tree in here. Can you see it? So beautiful. Beautiful Christmas tree. Okay, you see, it's traveling in Toronto during Christmas. So it's still a travel video. Okay, so my computer, I'm going to put it like this because my hand is hurting me again. My computer was giving me issues, and so I had to like restart so many times. And beyond that, Adobe was giving me some issues, so it was very challenging. And also I took a 3-hour nap, and long story short, yesterday Sunday was just a bit chaotic. Like, oh my god, here is another light that I have to try to catch. Why are these lights always 4, 3, 2, 1? Not me crossing the road every single time after like 3 to 1 seconds. Listen, I cannot wait out. Guys, I'm not going to be editing this video. I realize that this video is getting chaotic, but I've got to stay consistent. I said I was going to post a video every day, and I'm trying to give you guys a rationality behind what I'm doing this. Things keep happening, and I keep going on a tangent. But you know what? This is vlogging also, right? I'm not even using the best angle of my phone. I'm using the selfie camera, which is not the best at night. But here we have a beautiful view, and here is some more Christmas lights. You see? Not so bad. Not so bad. We are getting somewhere. Okay. So yeah, more on the creator consistency, creativity. December is a good time to explore. December is a good time to push for what you want to do. December is a good time to keep going. December is a good time to really press the turbo. I think Q4 is where champions are revealed, and for me this is a way to challenge myself also creatively. Yes, I want to empty the storage space from my memory cards, but I want to challenge myself creatively also. The first video that I did, the 48 hours in follow, I'm actually proud of the edits. I saw some mistakes, so imagine as soon as I posted that video, if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you check it out. It's on the channel already. I love the thumbnail. I'm so excited about, I was just so excited about seeing the thumbnail. And I love the way I edited that video. I think the vision that I had came to life. Look at this, there's an announcement for Moulin Rouge. Guys, I really want to go and see Moulin Rouge this December. I really want to go and see Moulin Rouge. I love musicals. Here is another light. At least this time I'm not going to cross the light at 10 seconds, at 3 seconds. I have enough time. Okay, good. I have time, so I don't have to run. What was I saying? Again, going on another tangent. So yeah, I was saying that I like the edits of the first video. I actually really like it. I like how the video came together. The video was a little bit shorter than I expected. Although even when I was getting the footage, I know it was going to be a short vlog, but I feel like even when I was watching the other day vlog, I was being very engaged. I like the way I edited it, so I'm really happy about how it came out. Although I saw some mistakes that I made, but I'm like, you know what, it's all about getting things done and not getting it perfect. And this is what we are doing here. I wasn't able to finish the vlog for today, but I know that when it comes out tomorrow, it's going to be a banger. I'm going to be talking about a new destination, and I think you're going to love that destination. So yes, if you want to join me on this 31 days Vlogmas challenge, today is day 2. We are recording a few Christmas lights in Toronto. And I'm on my way home now. Maybe I can show you guys one of the popular hotels here in Toronto for Christmas. Christmas decoration. It is called the Fairmont Royal York. It's a Fairmont hotel. You will know I've stayed at Fairmont hotels before. They are really gorgeous. They are part of the Accor family of hotels, and it's a really, really beautiful hotel. So maybe for the rest of this video, let me actually try to see if I can go inside the Fairmont Royal York and just show you guys a little bit of the lobby. I'm recording this in 4K. I hope that the space is gonna be enough, because we are at 8 minutes now. I'm almost close to the hotel, y'all. Yeah, I can see a little bit of Toronto at night. This is not a real Christmas tour of Toronto, but it's a beautiful spontaneous tour, and we all do spontaneous, right? So you can see a little bit of the Torontonians. Jesus. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost at the Fairmont. The light is almost gonna turn my way, so we're gonna go. As soon as it turns, there's a police. Where are these people going? Jesus. I'm hearing music on that end. My fingers are freezing. It's time for us to get into. Okay, it's my turn. The good thing is that people follow the signs of the road, so I can be vlogging on the road. I mean, I'm still very much aware of what I'm doing, like my surroundings. As you can see, I'm not really looking at the front of the camera. I'm looking around. But people will not just come and jam you like that. Like, everything is regulated here in Canada. That's why we love it. So we are on our way to the Fairmont Royal York, which is one of the biggest hotels in Toronto. Luxury hotel, gorgeous hotel. I like going there around Christmas because they usually have like great Christmas displays, and we are making our way there. The hotel is right opposite the Union Station. You can see it there, right? And we are about to get inside the lobby, and I'm going to show you their Christmas tree display before we wrap up for tonight. Okay guys, it's time for me to put my finger in my pockets, because child, the way that cold they set up. Okay, so we are getting into the hotel now. apparently asking us to use the revolving doors. Yeah, the Christmas trees are way up. We have the nutcracker. Yo, I don't understand what the nutcracker is about. If you know what the nutcracker is about, tell me, because I don't know about that. It's not in my Christmas traditions, the nutcracker. And I want to show you the decorations here. So this hotel usually goes all out. I think they've created an entire winter wonderland. You can see the huge tree here. I usually like their Christmas decor. I think they usually do a very good job. And here it seems like they have an entire wonderland. You can have like your drinks and everything. And this is the lobby. And they have one of the top Christmas themed bars as well for Christmas. I'm not going there this year. But last year I went, the wait line is at least like an hour to 2 hours for you to get in. I'm going to share a video for you guys. I don't know if I did a video of this, but I'm going to share it with you guys. But this is it, guys. This concludes our impromptu tour of Toronto at night for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. And see you tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas Travel Edition. Bye!